guys, welcome back to Oni's Food Hill. Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. I'll be showing you how to make minced beef spaghetti. To make this minced beef spaghetti, you're going to start by placing a pot of water on the stove top. Then you make sure you add a little salt to the water and then bring in 250 grams of spaghetti to the water. You can also use any other type of pasta of your choice. Just make sure the spaghetti is fully immersed in the water, just so that everything cooks evenly. Cover the spaghetti and cook for 10 minutes or according to package instruction. While your spaghetti is boiling, place another pan on the stove top. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to the pan. Add the ground beef to the oil and cook. Just before the beef starts to cook and heading up, use a spoon to break this apart into smaller chunks. I'm using 500 grams of minced beef. You can also use chicken, and I'm just going to go ahead and season this with a little bit of salt and black pepper. And keep cooking the beef until the liquid is expelled out and is no longer pink. And meanwhile, don't forget your pasta on the stove top. So once it's just 10 minutes, drain this and leave it to sit in the sink. Once all the liquid in the beef is expelled out and you can no longer notice the pink color, you can now take this out of the pan. And I'm still gonna be using the same pan, and I'll add a tablespoon of oil to it. This is more like a one pan recipe. You don't really need to use much pots. And once the oil is heated, go in with 1 medium chopped onion. Just go ahead and saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. And once you have this lightly golden color of onion, go in with 2 minced garlic cloves. Cook this for a minute until fragrant as well. Next, go in with 3 diced tomatoes. So I have this fresh pepper that I've blended into a paste. So I'm just going to add this to this. This will give it lots of heat. If you like heat, you can add that. And if you don't really like much heat, you can use some dried pepper or just a little bit of pepper. So that was 2 tablespoons of freshly ground pepper. Now go ahead and season the spaghetti sauce with few seasonings. So I'm going in with a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of dry thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and lastly go in with 1/2 teaspoon of beef stock seasoning. You can always choose your favorite spices for this, so I'm just going to mix this together and then test for salt. And once I'm happy with the taste of this spaghetti sauce, I'll return the ground beef back and then mix this together and let everything combine beautifully. So while the sauce is still having a little bit of liquid in it, I'm going to just go ahead and bring in the spaghetti. If your sauce appears a little bit dry, you can add some of the reserved pasta water just to sprinkle it. So you can add this a little at a time. And then stir and check if you need more pasta. You don't need to add too much of the spaghetti. You just don't want it to overwhelm the sauce. You want to be seeing this tiny bit of meat. Just look at this. After stirring this and everything is well combined, it appears so beautiful with little chunks of meat. I really love this, and I love the taste and the aroma of this minced beef spaghetti. So I'm just going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes until the liquid dries off. So guys, your minced beef spaghetti is ready. I'm just going to go ahead and turn up the heat. You can garnish this with some freshly chopped parsley. This minced beef spaghetti is one of the ways to enjoy your pasta. I really hope you loved this video, guys. You can give me a thumbs up if you did, and also share the video with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Until next time, guys, bye for now.